Good day to all my respected guests, friends, and family members of Thrive International. My name is Sam. Welcome everyone to today's sessions of the product sharing. As you can see from the poster, we are going to talk about the latest 4 type of fantastic products in Thrive International from MLS. And they are the ionSleep, Skinora, and then our smart car oxygen bar, and also our refrigerator Deodorizer. And so we are honored tonight. Actually, we have a special lady. She's actually the Dean of MLS Education and Training Institute. And also, she's a TCM Health Management Specialist together as a Public Health Nutritionist. So please welcome MLS healthcare, high-tech healthcare specialist, expert, Miss Jojo Wang.
Hello everyone. Okay.
Hello, Miss Jojo.
Wait a moment. Okay. Okay. Hello everyone. I'm Jojo from MLS. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. I'm really excited to introduce our products to everyone. So, let me start by asking you questions, simple questions. Just think about your answer. Have you ever experienced difficult falling asleep? Your body is exhausting, but your mind is wide awake. Perhaps a night of light sleep or waking easily, or worse, waking up tired every morning. If your answer is yes, you're not alone. Data shows that more than a third of global population experience sleep disorder. This isn't a mirror issue. It directly impacts our energy, mood, and productivity and long-term health. So, is there a way to improve sleep at its root without relying on medication? Tonight, I'm excited to introduce a groundbreaking technology solution, the ionSleep. And ionSleep, this solution integrates modern CES with environment health science to provide a drug-free, non-habit forming approach for sleep improvements and promoting physical and mental relaxation without hepatic metabolism. And its cause is dual engine synergistic system. And the first CES and the second 320 million high concentration active lactic ions. And to understand how it works, let's first explore the science of sleep. So, a typical sleep cycle consists of 4 stages, each with its own purpose and characteristics. First, we have N1, the sleep onset stage. This lasts about 1 to 7 minutes. Last is N2, light sleep, and this stage makes it up about 45% of total sleep time. It plays a key role in memory consolidation. Then comes M3, deep sleep, according to roughly 25% of sleep. This is when the body focuses on physical restoration, tissue repair, immune strengthening, and energy recovery. Finally, we reach REM sleep, also around 25% of sleep. This stage is essential for emotion processing, and creativity. Quality sleep occurs a cycle each about 90 minutes, where the deep sleep and REM stage determines sleep quality. What defines this cycle are brain waves, the electrical activity produced by millions of neurons in our brain. Brain waves are classified in 5 main types: gamma waves, beta waves, and alpha waves, theta waves, and delta waves, each corresponding to different stage of sleep. When we are awake and stressed, our brain is in high frequencies beta waves. To transition into sleep, we need to shift to relaxed alpha waves, then into the theta waves of light sleep, and finally the delta waves of deep sleep. A full light sleep cycle through this stage. The CES therapy in ionSleep acts as a brain navigator, guiding these critical transitions. CES is a safe, non-invasive, drug-free physical therapy. It delivers special designed microcurrents to the brain via air-clipped electrodes to regulate brain waves and neuron transmitters related to sleep and mood. And so regulates its principle and effect are twofold. First, regulates brain waves, relieves tension. Under stress, our brain are stimulated by beta waves. CES effectively assists resection alpha waves and decreases tense beta waves, guiding to the brain from a stress state to a receptive state. This has been confirmed by the neuron experiments by Texas State University in USA. And here shows how it promotes your body's natural sleep signals. It boosts serotonin, which helps celebrate your mood and is also what your body uses to make melatonin. It also increases endorphins for feeling to calm or pleasure. This also points the production of melatonin, the key hormone that tells your body it is time to sleep. Finally, it helps regulate norepinephrine, which plays a necessary role in maintaining health sleep structure. By promoting the lateral secretion of this key substance, CES directive transmit the physiological sleep signal. In summary, CES microcurrents works by promoting the release in inhibitory neurotransmitters such as GABA, which suppresses neurons over excitability. This shift brain wave activated from high frequency tense beta waves to soothing alpha and theta waves. As a result, the body experiences relaxation, reduce anxiety, and find it easily to fall asleep. With consistent use, it can effectively improve overall sleep quality. The benefits are clearly it's total non-invasive and has no drug side effects, and it works for lasting results by attacking the root cause, your brain's own regulations. First, it is safe and non-invasive. It uses gentle microcurrents for the brain, purely physical mechanisms. They are low, suggest no cost and no physical harm. Two, no medical side effects. It doesn't use drugs, so there is no strain on your liver or kidneys. No risk or dispensing, no daytime doses, and it is safe for long-term use. Third, effective and long-lasting. It tackles the root cause by regulating your brain's activity. Its effectiveness is backed by plenty of clinical research aiming to fundamentally improve sleep issue. If CES works from the inside to regulate the brain, the ultra-high concentration of active ions works from the outside to create an ideal sleep sanctuary. Civilizations healing environments such as forests and waterfalls. It releases a staggering 320 million active ion per cubic centimeter. Then its effectiveness is backed by clinical research. Here is what the studies show. First, it simulates your body's
Sorry, everyone. I think Miss Jojo just dropped a line. Just be patient for a while. She's coming back, yeah?
okay, okay, okay. This one. Okay, okay. Uh, uh, it is effectively is backed by clinical research. Here's what the study saw. First, it simulates your body's rest and digest system, and helping you switch off the fight or flight stress response. This helps you fall asleep faster. Second, it supports your pineal gland function, which can boost your body's own lifetime melatonin production by 40% to 60% on average. How it works is related to active ions in the air. The concentration of active ion per cubic centimeter determines the effects. Around 1,000 to 1,500 per cubic centimeter is what we consider fresh, helpful air. About 5,000 to 50,000 per cubic centimeter, it can help you achieve deep sleep. At the level above 10,000 to 500,000 per cubic centimeter, it may assist in testing center condition. Okay, from this chart, we can see that the lactic ion concentration in forest is very high, which is why we feel refreshed and rejuvenated there in concentrate. The level in the urban rooms and office are extremely low, which may leave people feeling dozy or forget headache after a day of work. Here is the lab test report. Lactic ion released 322 million per cubic centimeter. Lactic ion dispositive concentration 1.03 million per cubic centimeter. Ozone concentration not detected. And this lab test report showed that more than 99.99% elimination rate to viruses, and 99.99% particular matter reroll rate. Yeah. So in China, air lactic ion therapy is even included in the medical insurance program. So the benefits of lactic ions can be summed up in 5 key ways. First, they eliminate over 99.99% of bacteria and viruses using a microcurrent action. Second, they reduce over 99.99% of harmful airborne particles by causing them to clump together and flow out of the air. Third, they remove over 82% of harmful gas through chemical breakdown. Fourth, they help regulate the body's functions and boost the immune system. Fifth, they supply lactic oxygen ion, which supports normal metabolic function and neutralize excess free radicals. And then now here is the synergy. CS microcurrents direct moderate neural activity from within, addressing the underlying cause of difficult falling asleep. High concentration lactic ions create an abnormal external sleep microenvironment, reducing factors that disrupt sleep quality. Plus, the system requires zone consumables is energy saving and eco-friendly. ionSleep have CES and high concentration lactic ions for integrated sleep support, more effective for sleep, and it is quieter, safer, and more energy efficient. It features intelligence monitoring. It automatically adjusts the fan speed based on how much pollution it detects. It actively captures and removes all 3 types of pollution: biological, chemical, and physical. Using it is very simple. Connect the air-clipped cable. Moisten construct surface with the damper tissue. And then keep the air clips onto your left and right earlobes. 3. Press the button. Press the power button. Then press the end button until the screen displays CO1. This activity activates CES mode. Then the CES mode has 20 intense level, ranging from 1 to 20. Please adjust the level based on your personal comfort. If you feel a slight pressing sensations during first use, don't worry, it's normal. Just reduce the intensity level. It's suitable for elders, students, and high work individuals. Exactly. Do not use this if someone have recent bleeding or someone's ear have open cuts or shows or have any electros medical implants. Here is some common question. First, is it safe with electric stimulation? Absolutely safe. CES use microcurrents below the sensory threshold and has a decades-long history of safe use. Our device met all safety standards and has received multiple qualifications. And then can it be used for the elders of students? Yes, they are key target user. It's easier to operate one button style. The purely physical approach is also more suitable for those who prefer or need to avoid medication. However, please read all contraindication carefully before use. And then, do I need to wear the ear creams all right? No overnight use is required. It is recommended to use 45 to 60 minutes before bedtime, with each section lasting about 30 minutes, after which it can be pulled off and removed. Its purpose is to train and regulate your nervous system, with effects lasting into the sleep phase. Not need to wear it all right. Here's the suggestion. Max 2 CS sections per day with at least 5 hours between sections. And then the second product I'd like to share with you is Skinona. Skinona is a professional glide light therapy device that lets you enjoy salon-like results at home. Do you find yourself struggling with skin issue like acne, dark spots, dullness, or fine lines? We want to take care of our skin but don't have time to visit a salon. So what can we do? We can use Skinona. Skinona use multiple wavelengths light therapy to help you improve your skin texture, fade dark spots, and boost collagen production, all from the comfort of your home. What is the light therapy? Light therapy is the treatment method that use difficult types of light to irradiate the skin, improving skin condition and achieving cosmetic effects. There are 4 main benefits of light therapy. First, safety. Light therapy is gentle, non-invasive way to care of your skin without causing any harm or discomfort, and the results last because it works by streamlining your skin's own natural repair process. The improvements you see can be maintained long term. and it is truly effective. It tackles a range of common skin concerns, improve both skin quality and appearance. So, plus it is super convenient. It is non-invasive with no recovery times, allowing you to continue your daily routine and social life uninterrupted. Light therapy works. The Skinora beauty device offers four main advantages. The light source, the most, the human effective test, and the ultralight and slim, easy to carry. Now, let me break them one by one. So the first advantage, magical grade light source. Powered by Osram's third generation SMT LED chips, the German leader in medical light technology with an energy density over 3 times more powerful than ordinary large panel lights of faster visible improvement. We use 4 wavelengths, blue light targets and kills endocrine bacteria. Yellow light helps calm redness and control oil production. And the red light boosts blood flow, reduce inflammation, and help with skin repair. Infrared light goes deeper into the skin to stimulate current, which help improve firmness. So different lights target different things, and when you use them together, they work to improve your skin. The role of light therapy in skincare includes 4 main benefits. Improved skin texture, brighten, compress, and minimizes pores and fade dark spots. So it is suitable for all skin types, such as oil skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, and aging skin. The second advantage, 7 smart modes for all skincare goals, hydrating, brightening, anti-aging, acid care, soothing, and hair care. First, hydrating mode. It gives your skin a deep moisturizing boost. And then second, brightening mode. It helps bright your complexion and even out skin tone for a daily glow. And 3, revitalizing mode. It targets sign of aging and help firm the skin. And the age care mode, it works on reducing blemishes and the appearance of scars. And the soothing mode, this move is perfect for after sun care, and it's smoothing the skin and help repair its protective barrier. And the repair mode, use this move to support your skin's recovery after professional treatment, such as IPL or chemical peels. The 7, hair care move. This move focus on your scalp to stimulate hair follicles and strengthen your hair, which help with healthier growth. And the third advantage, prevent human efficacy. In a 28-day SGS human clinical test results show that 68.8% reduction in pimple cut, and 24.19% reductions in pigmentation, and 32.15 improvement in pro appearance. This is the only beauty device certified by SGS human effects testing. So using Skinora, skin becomes smoother, more hydrated, and refined. Here is the lab test report. The above data are the results of tests conducted with 22 Asian women aged 25 to 43. And the fourth advantage, ultralight and slim, easy to carry. Only 5.9 mm thick and 459 grams light. It is thinner than iPhone 17 Pro Max. It is truly effective to carry while traveling or on business trips. Here's how to use it. The routine goes like this. First, cleanse your face, and then apply a simple hydrating product. Last, go ahead with your Skinona device. After that, lock in the moisture with your favorite moisturizer. For distance, keep it a hands to an arm's length away, 10 to 30 cm. If your skin tends to be sensitive, lean toward to the farther end. A friendly reminder for the first week. Try it 3 to 5 times. Keeping each section under 20 minutes. If you are sensitive, maybe start with just 10 or 15 minutes and slowly add time as your skin get used to it. Once it feels comfortable, you can use it for up to 30 minutes a time, around 3 to 5 days a week. 5 days a week. Before you begin, please know your skin type to select the right light setting and intensity. Avoid dry, direct sun exposure for about a week before treatment to lower the chance of dark spots. And stop using any housing skincare stuff a few days before to keep your skin from getting irritated. For the best and safety results during your treatment, first, eye safety is key. Always keep the light away from your direct eyesight. Wear the goggles that come with the device or close your eyes. Start with clean skin. It is best to treat bare skin, so keep the makeup for your section. And be sun smart. Protect your skin from too much sun while you are doing the treatments to avoid sensitivity. Time your workout. Try not to sweat heavier during or right after using the device, as it can cause irritation. And to help your skin recover and get most out of your treatment, Moisturizer well and use sunscreen afterward, as your skin can be a bit dry or sensitive. Hold off on strong products with alcohol or fragrance right after use. Try to stay out of strong sun to keep your skin even toned and stick with it regularly. Like most skincare, you will see better results with consistent use. This is our comparison with facial beauty device currently on the market. And different light intensities results in varying shade of light and dark across the treat area. The key difference is that many devices use lower grade LEDs, causing uneven hot spots, while Skinona medical grade chips ensure uniform precise and same light output. And then the third product, Smart Card Oxygen Bra. Air pollution inside your car is a serious concern. It features a powerful triple stage air clear, which combines lactic ions, UVC, and ozone. You will have fresh, clean air all the time. It features a thoughtful door mode designed, human present mode. It used lactic ions and UVC light to quietly clean and fresh up the air around you. Human absent mode. When no one is in the car, it can shift into a powerful UVC and ozone mode for a deep clean. It really gets rid of any lingering smells and germs. You only need to run it about once a week or every other week. It is perfect to enclosed space like car interiors, offices, bedrooms, study rooms, etc. Its main functions are to first kill bacteria and viruses. Two, eliminate subborne odors such as smoke. Third, help drivers stay focused and alertness on the road by providing cleaner air. It releases 45 million lactic ion per cubic centimeters of air. It is suitable for space ranging from 1 to 10 square meters. Then the first products. Did you know your fridge can actually hover over 700 different types of harmful bacteria? That's where our products comes in. It use advantage narrow ozone. It may do four things. It removed odors in 50 minutes, kill bacteria, breakdowns, pesticides, residues on your fruit or vegetables, and keep food fresh for up to 7 days. Um, Here's the lab test confirmed sterilization rates of over 99.99% against common harmful bacteria. Here is the product's specification. It is highly achieved against a wide range of bacteria. To warm up tonight, we are introduced four innovative products from MLS that work together as a complete ecosystem for modern wellness. Each product is built on solid science with one goal to elevate your quality of life through intelligent technology. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. Hello. Any questions?
The points, yeah, Mr. Okay, so we try to go through the chat that actually I think, or just now I think May, you're asking about do we need to put some cream before using the Skinora, right? So I think Jojo,
Skinora, right?
yeah,
Okay. Um, Skinora, we can wait for a moment. Uh, Skinora and sunscreen before use this. Uh, mm, waiting. Skinora, we use it. Waiting, we use it. Just so clean our skin. And can. Mm, negative. Oh. We will use just a simple hydrating products before use it.
just simple moisturizer, yeah.
Yeah, the simple hydrating products just okay.
Mm-mm. Okay, that's
So
good. Oh,
yeah, so first 就是cleanser the face, then use a simple hydrating products, and then go ahead with our skin owner device.
so cleanse it, and then after that apply before the call it or something like we call it moisturizing cream. Yep. And then after
Yeah,
that, start using the skin aura. Okay, thank you, Miss
yeah,
Jojo. Wow. So seems like all the ladies are actually they are liking skin aura so much. Yeah. So everyone is expecting to start using after the what they call this you know about these great products. Okay, we go to Ilan. Ilan actually have the car oxygen bar. So she's asking what is the maintenance for the what do you call it? Clean it for the smart car oxygen bar. Miss Jojo.
uh, sorry,
The oxygen bar, how to do maintenance or how to clean it
how to print it？
就是怎样清理它那个氧吧
怎么清理是吗？呃，
啊，
它有用一个刷子刷一下就好了，就基本上不怎么需要清理的。我平时自己的话就是不怎么需要清理，就是那个氧吧是吗？
对，就是那个汽车氧吧。
哦，汽车氧吧它不怎么需要清理，你可以拿一把软刷子，然后把那个表面刷一下就好了。
Ilan, I hope you get it. Just brush with what I call it. Just brush on the surface of the smart oxygen bar. That'll be good enough already. No need to always clean it. Okay, so I think many are mentioning about the refrigerator deodorizer also. Even, yep, durian smell can be removed. Thank you for your testimony from May and also from Ilan. And also, how is the maintenance for the fridge deodorizer also? 就是那个冰除臭剂是要怎样来维持
它就充电就可以了，就是没有电的话
？OK，
充电。Yeah。
Okay, Ilan, just by charging only that's all. Yeah, no need to do anything else.
嗯。
Yep. Yeah, okay. Lilan is asking, I can use our Lux moisturizer for skin. I think shouldn't be any problem because what I call as long as moisturizer, the normal moisturizer is good enough already. Yeah. Okay. There's one question from Jocelyn. Yep. Jocelyn is asking me, Jojo, can we use Skinora and ionSleep at the same time? 就是两个产品同时使用，
是那个大排灯，还有那个就
睡眠仪
是那个睡眠仪是吗？
呀
嗯，建议还是分开，因
呀。
为大排灯是要照灯，然后要闭眼睛。
Okay. So
对，
it's actually, according to Miss Jojo, Miss Jocelyn, actually better separate it, don't use at the same time. Yep. So May already written down the step on how to use it or to get a magnosit. And okay, so it's, another one from Tess. Yep. Is it safe to charge it when it just come from the fridge? Or let it to the go to the room temperature before charging，就是那个冰箱除抽的，就是冷冷拿出来的时候就可以充电，还是要等到它恢复到常温才可以充电？
它可以充电，直接充电，然后用它配的那根线充最好。
Okay,
对，
that's
对，
actually you can just charge it even immediately after you remove from fridge, but make sure you use the cable or the connector within what you call the refrigerator. They come together with it, the cable. Okay.
嗯。
PWG is asking, will slide be shared? Okay, this one temporarily, I think we need time for to let the A&B department to compile the slide first, but we are going to, after editing also, they just go through the video, the recorded video via our YouTube channel first. So please give us some time. I'll give the company some time. Yeah, thank you, PWJB. Okay. So seems like tonight we attract a lot of ladies on the line. They all are waiting. Yeah, can't wait to use our skin Nora. In fact, I think not only the ladies, I think the guys nowadays also like to have good skin also, right? Look radiant, look smooth, and then look younger. We always say that. So we have this what do you call it? Four new good products are coming. So actually just encourage everyone to have the chance. We just what do you call it, need to experience by yourself, then you can have your own testimony to share in your future. Just like those who just now, like Milan and May already share about their testimony on the fact, what do you call it, refrigerator deodorizer, remove durian smell effectively. Okay, so it's start using if you have the products. And then if you know if you have the product, you can actually place your order through our back office system. Yeah. So for those who actually from other countries like Malaysia, you can check with your person in charge in your local country to ask about when the availability of the products in your area or region. Okay. So I think, guys, I hope you are getting more information about these four new products. So I believe that these four new products are going to make our life, yeah, actually more healthy at the same time living in the quality life for all of us in Pride International. Okay, so I think if let's say what do you call that for sure, just look at it. For some people who already using salicylic acid or retinol for the skin routine, do we need to change the way you use such product with Skinora? Okay, I try to see how you call it the salicylic acid because it's a term，就是有些人如果他曾经有用过这些护肤品，那他是要怎样来使用我们的 Skinora？我看一下哈，这个它的那个名称中文怎么说？ OK，就老师就是有用到那个水杨酸啊，或者是那个视黄
啊。
醇的那个产品，美容产品，对不对？他们是要怎样来使用这个 Skinora？
哦，那些产品需要停掉。
Okay, Shai, Shay, yeah. Okay, this what you call the those who want to use Skinora, then better temporarily stop the product that you mentioned, the salicylic acid or the retinol on the skin routine. Just temporarily stop. Yeah. Okay, from Yilan, let me see. I have a questions about the oxygen bar. Initially, when I started using, I can see that it will change colors to orange or even red if the air quality is not so good. But now it doesn't appear anymore. Just wondering if it's still working or how would we know? 就是说宜兰他自己本身开始使用我们的这个汽车氧吧的时候，初期用的时候，他会看到就是那个灯会从
嗯。
橙色变成红色，如果他的那个车里面或者是地方的那个空气的素质不是很好。不过现在它好像是没有出现了，是否他已经是还在操作，还是什么情况？
它是一直在工作的，就只要它就是你有插电，或者说里边你有充电的话，它其实是一直在工作的。只是说它已经帮你的车内空间改善的比较好，所以就不会出现刚开始用的时候那么明显的这种灯颜色的变化。
So, Ilan, according to Miss Jojo, that actually the first time you use is actually your condition is actually quite what do you call that? It's like very a lot of pollution, too much of pollution. That's why it's so like that. But then starts after since then it start working already. Then it still maintain that it's still giving you the what you call the good quality, what you call the air quality within your car. That is one. As long as you charge it, then it still keep on working. Okay, so okay, all right. So anyone else maybe, you have anything want to learn from Miss Jojo, the last thing, if you wish. And after what you call it, maybe some of you are asking about the video and so on. After being edited, and then you'll post into our YouTube channel. Give the what you call the Department of A&P some time, yeah, for them to edit and so on. Okay, so okay, no problem. Ilan is asking, what is the lifespan of the devices? OK，宜兰是问这些产品，这四个产品它们的生命周期，也就是说可以用多久的意思。
哦，一般电子产品它能够用5到7年。就
OK，
是但是并不是说5到7年之后它就不能用。比如说打个比方啊，比如说那个睡眠仪，它其实5到7年之后，比如说它那个负离子它还是会释放的，只是说有可能就没有前面的那个，就是我们说的那个释放量那么大。
明白。OK，so Lian, actually, according to Miss Jojo, each of these what we call the electronic products can last 5 to 7 years. Okay, and then only thing that actually after this year, not say that they're not working anymore, but like the reduction in the concentrations of the negative ion. Yeah, it's just like our car. So our car, I mean the performance will be not as good as the new car. Hope you can get that, Ilan. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So I hope everything. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, yeah, iron sheet actually is very much of you need to take care. Don't drop into water only. If you drop in water, then it's totally what do you call it, out of order. All right. But it's okay. I think all the product come with at least 1 year of warranty together, or any or call manufacturing defect, and so on. So get from that. So, all right, if that's all at the moment. So once again, actually, I would like to say thank you very much to our Miss Jojo Wang for giving us so much information about these four new products. At least we know about how good or how these are the benefits of these 4 new products. And so thank you everyone for your time to participate. Yep, so welcome everyone. Okay, so hopefully that's in near future we still can see each other on the line. So meanwhile, just stay safe and stay healthy all the time. I wish you all the best and have a good night. See you next time. Bye bye.
See you. Bye bye.